If you're looking for the best drill bit set for your DIY projects or professional tasks, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drill bit sets, ranking them based on durability, versatility, and performance. Stick around to see which set takes the number 1 spot. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Warrior Titanium Drill Bit Set. The Warrior Titanium Drill Bit Set is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their drilling performance. Featuring high-speed steel, HSS, titanium-coated bits, this set delivers superior efficiency compared to standard drill bits. The titanium nitride coating significantly reduces heat buildup, allowing the drill bits to run cooler during use. This results in smoother drilling and extended durability, with these bits lasting up to 3 times longer than their non-coated counterparts. This 29-piece set covers a broad range of sizes, from 1/16" to 1/2" in precise 60/48" increments, providing versatile options for various drilling needs. The drill bits feature a 118-degree point angle, which is ideal for drilling into a wide variety of materials, including wood, metal, plastic, and more. This makes the Warrior Titanium Drill Bit Set an essential tool for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. Thanks to their titanium nitride coating, these drill bits are designed to resist wear, ensuring consistent performance over time. Whether you're working on intricate woodwork, metal fabrication, or general household repairs, this set ensures a high level of accuracy and longevity. With their high-speed steel construction and advanced coating technology, the Warrior Titanium Drill Bit Set is a reliable and durable addition to any toolbox. Coming in at number 4, the Horusdy Drill Bit Set. The Horusdy 112-piece drill bit set is a comprehensive toolkit designed to meet a wide range of drilling and fastening needs. This set is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and those involved in home maintenance and repair, offering an array of drill bits and accessories suitable for wood, metal, cement, and plastic. The kit includes a diverse selection of specialist drill bits, making it versatile enough for multiple applications. It features a 1/4 hex bit and bit kit, ideal for quick and easy bit replacements. This compatibility with 1/4 impact drivers, screwdrivers, screw guns, and 3/8 or 1/2 bit/drivers makes it an excellent choice for various tasks, from light household repairs to more advanced projects. Crafted from high-quality materials, the drill bits in this set are built to last. The titanium-coated high-speed steel construction ensures enhanced strength and durability, while the superior materials help reduce damage to screw heads and provide a better grip. This results in smoother and more efficient drilling and fastening. To further enhance convenience, the set comes with a portable, hard storage case. The compact and durable box makes it easy to transport the toolkit to different work sites and store it neatly when not in use. Whether you're tackling small repairs or larger DIY projects, the Horusdy Drill Bit Set offers the reliability and versatility needed to get the job done. At number 3, we have the Craftsman CMAF1260 Drill Bit Set. The Craftsman CMAF1260 Drill Bit Set is designed to deliver superior performance and durability, making it an essential tool for a wide range of drilling and driving tasks. With 60 pieces included in the set, it offers 4 different ranges of drill bits, allowing users to tackle various applications with ease and precision. One of the standout features of the Craftsman CMAF1260 is its construction with shock-resistant tool steel. This robust material enhances the set's overall durability, ensuring it withstands the wear and tear of frequent use. Whether you're working with wood or metal, the set is built to last and endure tough conditions. The drill bit set also boasts CNC machine bit tips, which are specifically engineered to provide a precise fit in screw heads. This attention to detail minimizes the chances of cam out, a common issue where the drill bit slips out of the screw recess. This helps to reduce wear, stripping, and cam out, making each task smoother and more efficient. Overall, the Craftsman CMAF1260 drill bit set is a reliable choice for those who need a versatile and durable tool for their projects. Its shock-resistant construction, precise fit, and variety of drill bits make it ideal for both professional and DIY use, ensuring a higher level of precision and reduced wear during wood and metal applications. Next up at number 2 is the Black Decker BDA91109 drill bit set. The Black Decker BDA91109 drill bit set is an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast or homeowner. This comprehensive 109-piece set provides everything needed for a wide variety of household projects. It includes a versatile selection of drill bits and screw driving bits, making it ideal for tasks like hanging pictures, installing fixtures, or assembling furniture. The set features steel drill bits in common sizes, perfect for drilling into wood, metal, plastic, and masonry. Whether you're working on light DIY tasks or more robust projects, these drill bits offer the precision and durability needed to tackle different materials. Additionally, the set includes both 1-inch and 2-inch screw driving bits, ensuring that you have the right tool for driving screws with ease. To keep everything organized, the Black Decker BDA91109 comes with a rugged, portable hard storage case. The durable case provides secure storage for the bits and offers extra space for added convenience. This design ensures that you can easily transport the set between different workspaces, whether you're handling indoor projects or outdoor tasks. With this all-in-one kit, you have access to a wide range of tools for everyday applications. The variety of drill bits and screw driving bits ensures that you're prepared for almost any task around the house. Whether you're working on small repairs or large-scale DIY endeavors, the Black Decker BDA91109 drill bit set has the tools to get the job done efficiently. Finally, at number 1, we have the Dewalt DWA1184 drill bit set. The Dewalt DWA1184 drill bit set is an essential tool for those tackling a range of drilling tasks. Designed to provide high performance and durability, this set of metal drill bits is ideal for use on plastic, wood, and metal materials. One of the standout features of these drill bits is the 135 split point tip design. This design helps to reduce walking, ensuring that the bit stays on target during drilling. This leads to more precise and accurate results, especially when working with hard materials. Constructed from heavy-duty high-speed steel, these drill bits are built to last, providing superior strength and the ability to resist wear and tear. The black and gold coating adds an extra layer of protection against rust, ensuring the bits stay in good condition for longer periods. Additionally, the tapered web design enhances the bits' durability by resisting breakage, making them reliable even during intense use. The 3-flat shank is another important feature, reducing the risk of spin-out in the chuck and providing a more secure grip during operation. The size markings on the drill bit shank make it easier to identify the correct size quickly, saving time and improving efficiency on the job. Whether you are drilling through wood, plastic, or metal, the Dewalt DWA1184 drill bit set is an excellent choice for anyone seeking high-quality, reliable, and durable drill bits.